hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I'll stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I'll stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the
Mic test, 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Can y'all hear me right now? Thank you, everyone. Welcome back, guys. Andrew, 44 Punisher in the house. Adrianello, thanks for being a member again. the real Luca in the house. Guys, great to see you guys back again. How are you, Tiger? I'm trying to recover from what went through this morning. All right, I only got one thing in my mind right now. I'm gonna try to pass a few combines tonight, and maybe that's pretty much it. I'm gonna trade a few legend accounts as well, but I'm almost kind of, well, maybe not. I'll try to trade silver on my legend as we almost kind of like a commitment now that I will trade the silver on my legend account. If I end up blowing, that's fine. It is what it is. But that was the goal, right? That was the goal, to trade the legend accounts, the bigger account size with the silver, and see how that goes. And that's the plan. And then I'm gonna be trading the combines as well. So let's see what happens here today. I hope you all had a great day, man. I am sorry to hear of a few traders, of course, lost a few accounts, and I feel equally as bad. I hope you guys make a nice little recovery here overnight into tomorrow morning. Yeah, I will be back to working tomorrow morning, so I will not be live in the morning. But of course, we're gonna see you guys back tomorrow night, which should be the Globex Asia. But I'll be trading all day. Don't worry about me. Trading all day on my phone. Yeah, rough day for sure. Rough day, man. I mean, it was a very difficult market. I don't know what the heck. Very difficult, guys. Very difficult. I mean, it's always easy if you're in 1 minute, 1 micro contract, right? But when you're trading the mini contracts and maybe 1 mini contract, it was the market was tough. Market was definitely tough, everybody. Anyways, guys, we've got a few more minutes. I will be right back with you guys. Just give me 1 minute, and we'll try to see if we can actually get something. With the silver, we got also our Take Profit Trader 25k account size giveaway here happening tonight, everybody. I will resume the entries in a few minutes as well as we start the day. Don't forget to type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate as well, to get a ticket. And once again, my Discord link, hold on 1 second, guys. I'm going to share my Discord link for anybody who is new. I'm going to set it up with my timer again. Alright, guys, let's try to have some fun here today. We had a rough morning. I mean, not we, I. So let's try to make some more so than try to make something out of this market. Let's try to have some fun. Alright, you got 6 more minutes, guys. Just give me 1 minute. I will be back with you guys. Thank you, everybody, for showing up.
Thoughts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino, price don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy
Hello everyone, welcome back guys. Welcome back. StockTiger is back. Great to see y'all here. Globex. Hopefully we get a better price action here today. Oh, let's kill it. Hey, what is going on with No Fear? How's your trades going, brother? Great to see you. Trade X Investing, what is up, man? The real Luca. The Raj Tis in the house, man. What up, brother? Sonic. KRV in the house. Turglus. Andrew, what up? Supreme Court ruling on tariff tomorrow. Interested to see what is going to be the impact on the market. That's gonna get pretty interesting. Yeah, absolutely, I agree. The elevated live. What is going on, brother? What is up? What is up? What do you mean? What do you mean by CPU stock? Oh, the market opens in about a minute. Okay. Let's take a look and see what we have in this market, guys. For now, I'm at a 1 minute chart. Let's just go back to maybe 50 minutes here on the silver. The silver still looks like a higher low, but I want to just quickly take a look in this. We had a little break, so I want to kind of wait and see how do we break that or no, right? And that will be a question that we want to kind of ask. You're right at the edge, and I hate whenever we are right at the edge, you know what I mean? So this almost kind of feels like this here, to be honest. You know what I mean? I feel like, you know, we are something like that. We got here, we've got that. So we may try to see some kind of a rollover down. You know, that's what I kind of feel. We may try to bounce, but then eventually we kind of fade. That would kind of give us that nice little
the market is open.
Trail line support, maybe down into the 81 area. Eventually I think we kind of find ourselves to pull back into that zone. So I do kind of like a nice little maybe a support here. So I would like to maybe kind of say how do I change that? I have no idea. Anyways, yeah, so maybe something like that, right? Eventually kind of fade into the 81s. But anyways, guys, that's that. Let's just go back to maybe about 5 minutes chart. Let's take a look. You're still kind of respecting that. Go back to the 1 minute chart. What's this going on with this? Anyways. That was a very muted open. Yeah, 0%. Didn't move at all, guys. Pretty muted. Yeah, you're right. Oh shit, my order got filled. So I'm just trading. Oh my, that's weird, guys. I was negative even when this actually, that's weird. I mean, even with that pullback on the silver, I was showing negative, so I don't know what it is. All right, so let's see what comes first. We're still above that. What is going on, guys? Money Mitch in the house. Oh yeah, maybe you're right. Maybe best to kind of stay away from silver. Already down about $800. That week that we got there at 86.7, I wanted to take my profits off that level. That's a weird. Let's see if we get a little pullback here. I don't know. If I do, I may try to close this right there. I'm just leaving it there for now. The 86.5. All right, I'm gonna open I'm gonna resume the entries here, guys. All right, fellow traders, here we go, guys. You have 30 seconds to claim your account. If you win, good luck, everybody. We'll call out the winner at about 300 likes. So if you guys want to support the stream, you guys go ahead and do that. Take a few seconds of your time. Thank you, guys. And what else do we have? So yeah, the silver seems like it wants to get a bounce, maybe. Maybe not a good idea. Maybe I should have my hard stop here. Why not, right? Maybe why not? Let's have a hard stop here. Retest the high. I don't want to lose any more than that, to be honest, right? So let's just keep it at that. 87.2, that's my hard stop there. And let's see if we can actually get a little grind. It looks like it almost want to maybe stop me out right there, to be honest. Yeah, the silver never disappoints. Yeah, you're right. Never disappoints. It's right there. Hello. Yeah, I mean, we're coming to this trade with an expectation that we may be in trouble, right? So it's kind of normal. Yeah, almost. Yeah, I'm not sure what is this market kind of waiting for, right? We already have. Maybe it's kind of waiting for Trump's decision on how it's going to respond back to Iran, or maybe JP. What else really do we have? We also, oh my guys, man, I got stopped out right there. Incredible. It stopped me out right there. Incredible. Yeah, this thing keeps going, guys. This keeps going. Wow, look at the silver. Yeah, 1.5% right off the bat. Pretty incredible, wild.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, oh my god.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's not working. Yeah, I don't really have drawdown anymore. Wow, man, I can't trade this silver, man. I'm getting nuked on the silver, guys. I can't do that. That was pretty good. I'm 2 down. Yeah, maybe I'll just yeah, I can't afford. Down on the silver. Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, I'm just gonna move back to. Yeah, just one combine gone. Yeah, I don't think that's possible. I don't think I can do that. No.
Order filled.
Yeah, I didn't trade the CPI. I woke up early to try to see if I can trade the CPI, but did not really get a chance to trade the CPI, to be honest. So yeah, I don't think I can trade silver anymore, guys. It's just not my thing. I mean, the Globex Asia obviously really slow, so I kind of thought this silver is going to be also nice, a little slow, but it's not slow. I mean, I guess right at the open, I think right at the open it's kind of better to stay away. Maybe a little later towards the night, better price action. But right now it's kind of like it's all over the place, right? So maybe kind of better off. No, I never really traded silver right at the Globex open, so. Yeah, it's okay. Just one combine down, not the end of the war, right? But I wanted to test the water. I wanted to see how the silver is gonna respond right in the open, right? But not enough to. Yeah, it's tough, man. It's just a small little. It's not even a move. It's a blink and it's like gone. So, anyways, guys, we got giveaway. Let's try to have some fun. I'm not really in a mood to get into a lot of good trades here today. So anyways, I want to have fun more so than my trading, to be honest. We may do another giveaway as well. Depends on how quickly we get to the target. Welcome back, everybody, guys. Great to see y'all here. Yeah, no, I still don't have an approval, guys. I have no idea. I may I don't know what it is. I keep checking, but still not approval. And that's 14K on one single account. Sorry, not that's across two accounts, right? So I'm still kind of waiting. Oh, you got Sean Hazel, man. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Yeah, I'm hopeful we get approved. Yeah, I need that approval. Yeah, for sure. I mean, honestly, even if it doesn't get approved, maybe it's a good thing, so I can kind of adjust my request, because I requested the whole thing. Maybe I want to just take down maybe 8,000 bucks instead of making 12,000. We'll see. Oh man, but it's like this isn't doing anything right now. Incredible. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't think I can handle silver anymore, guys, man. Yeah, it was a good experience, and I thank you so much, silver. But time to trade silver, maybe over. I know, man. I say it all the time, but I think this time around, I think have a little confidence. Yeah. But you know what? I would like to see a better price action move in this, you know, Globex ASIA though. Like you guys know I don't really trade silver during the day, but it's like every time we get to Globex ASIA, I want to trade something, but it's like obviously you don't have to kind of force. But Globex ASIA doesn't really do anything at the moment. It's been like this for I don't know, so many months now, right? So you're kind of looking for some other instrument that kind of gives you that opportunity to trade, and it's either gold or silver. But you know, the gold has not been obviously one of my you know, one of my thing. So but then is silver any better? I think silver is better, to be honest. You have better clean moves, but I've got to find a way to trade the, oh yeah, you know what, I could trade the micro, right? I could trade a micro, by the way. Yeah, you're right, I could trade the micro, right? Should we try hold on, I'm just gonna get rid of the silver. SIH, hold on. Oh yeah, on top step you could. On top step you could. So let me just give it a try here once again. I think we
order filled.
Let's give it a try. Oh, see, no guys, I'm still down. Oh, okay, it's not as much. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's not as much. Okay, so I think this is kind of something that I can live with. Oh, you could. Yeah, you're right. You could trade the micro. I think this kind of makes more sense. I did cancel that order. Yeah, I did cancel that order. Oh yeah, I think Tiger, I think this is going higher. Oh really? Hold on, everybody. I'm gonna have to find out why is it gonna go higher. I'm gonna speak to Elon Musk. Oh yeah, you're right, man. I think it's going higher. We kind of broke above the trend line here, right? Broke the trend line. We're getting above, and we are kind of respecting this beautiful trend line too. Well, not really. I'm on a 5 minutes chart, but we are just kind of barely above. 1 minute. Yeah, I'll have a hard stop here. 6.95. Maybe try to see if I can. Yeah, I think I could kind of live with 3 micro silver, right? I didn't realize I could trade the micro silver, so I like this. Actually, you know what? Should I have a hard stop here? Just in case this thing pops, I don't want to give anything back, right? So let's have a hard stop here at around 87.5. The micro can also get you if it moves. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a hard stop here, 87.5. Like, I'm kind of trying to think about, you know what I mean? Like, I'm kind of thinking about maybe Globex trade something that really moves. And I think silver is the one that moves. But the thing is, though, it's only the top step that kind of allows you to trade, right? So I don't know. That's the only catch. I don't think there's any other firms that kind of allows you to trade the micro, right? So I'm short right now. I'm short silver, but I think a lot of my fellow traders on here thinks we pump higher. So no, I'm talking about micros. I know they allow silver, but oh, really? Listed allows you to trade micro too? Oh, I see. Tradify allows mini. Listed allows micro. And who else? And top step alpha. But yeah, man, the alpha thing is really expensive though. Shit. Yeah, who cares about my funded futures? Oh, legends and trade day also allow. Okay, so pretty much everybody actually allows, right? So okay, I see. All right. I mean, I didn't know because I don't normally trade silver, right? It's really the top step accounts that I've been flirting with the silver, but then I completely forgot that there's a micro silver that I can actually trade. And I'm trading that right here. But let's see, guys. I'm going to test the water here again. I'm not trying to master silver, but I'm just saying I want to give it a try, you know. It's kind of worth it. Especially coming into the Globex. I think it's kind of worth it, you know. I obviously have a much better move than NQ. Let's take a look and see what NQ is doing. Where's NQ at? Where's NQ at? Look. NQ haven't done anything right now. Look at this NQ, guys. It's been sitting there. 2 points move. So maybe I'm going to have to wait. So until we kind of see the NQ move, we'll try to trade silver. Micro silver, that is, right? Which now I realize that we have a micro silver now. So we are... Well, let's see if we kind of hold this area here in the micro. Sorry, not the micro, the NQ. And then see if we can actually get a nice little break to the upside. Give us that nice little break. Or we kind of push down. One of the two has got to happen. I'm kind of leaning, well... Yeah, let's wait and see what happens. Unless NQ has a catalyst to move that day. I mean, NQ does move, but it's just slow, right? A lot of times, Globex Asia. I don't know if shorting silver is the right... I think a lot of you guys are longing silver right now on a micro. Guys, man, look at this pump in the silver. It keeps going, guys. I may have to exit this. Yeah, one micro down about $500 already, so pretty crazy, to say the least. Maybe add one more. Maybe I'll have... Why don't I have my hard stop here at $88? Are we actually gonna go to $90 in silver? Like, I wouldn't be surprised with the way it's kind of moving, right?
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a wild... silver is definitely a different animal. I think it's worse than gold, to be honest. We'll see. Crypto's pumping hard, really?
Order filled.
Oh shit. I pressed the wrong button. 1 second. Silver is the fastest win or lose? Yeah, you're right. Oh man, I pressed the freaking wrong one. Shit. Silver, yeah, silver is definitely moving better. Yes, I agree.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know how far this is gonna go or how deep of a pullback we get in the silver, but now we're gonna fucking get a pullback here. Alright guys, I flipped along looking for that little bit of a extended move. Or maybe I could be wrong, I don't know. It's been long the whole time, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I'm longing right at the top here, but it looks like uppy. All right, let's see. Hey, no problem, Justin Wright. Obviously, it's my pleasure to be streaming. If I'm able to do that, you know, I love to stream in the mornings. There's a lot of fun, you know. I mean, there's a lot. It's obviously the very volatile market, right? It's always fun to kind of trade in front of my computer in the mornings. I like the price action that we are getting here, of course, with the silver, that is, right? But yes, I kind of realized that I could also get pretty deep underwater with silver too. 아, 아침에 하고 중간에 쉬었다가 지금 다시 시작하는 거예요. I do sleep, Edward. Yeah, of course. Project X is still working. to me. I'm also trading Billanox on the what do you call this? Trading Billanox on the Project X. All right, I'm also trading. 아, 당연히 한글도 되죠. 당연히. 야, 이렇게 오셔서 감사합니다. Tiger, when you were responding an ad happened. What does that mean, Edward? I'm not sure what you mean. 예, 한국 분들 엄청 많네요. All right. Yeah, you don't melt silver, the silver melts you. Yeah, guys. I mean, it's, you know, it's just an eval, guys. Let's not panic. I would kind of panic if I am trading silver mini, right? We got better stuff to kind of worry about. You know what I mean? Guys, don't forget to smack the like never before. Take a few seconds of your time to do that, guys. Thank you, everybody, for doing that. We got our giveaway here, guys. Take 5 a trader, 25k account size. Everybody, yeah, Edward, yeah, it's Korean, South Korean. Yeah, every time I'm down, it's like everybody, not everybody again, a very portion of traders go, ah, StockTiger. It's okay, guys. I'm here. I'm still alive. I'm still alive and well, everybody. StockTiger is down. StockTiger is down. You know, jeez, calm down. I'm trading Combine right now. And anyways, guys, I thank everybody. Love you guys. Man, so much love I get from my fellow traders every single day, every single night. You know, at least I try my level best to try to do well Globex Asia, even though it's kind of really hard, right? Because there's no pattern, there's no trend in a lot of cases. But I still try my level best to trade the Globex Asia, even though there's really nothing. And you guys know I traded a lot of funded accounts as well in the past. Just lately, I'm like, you know, kind of like trying to slow down because it's really nothing there to kind of present and trade. But waiting for NQ to drop. And by the way, it's you know, one second, guys. Let's just take a look at the NQ here. Yeah, NQ is still kind of chopping in that range. I'd like to see the NQ. I'd like to see NQ get above 905 or at least 910, and the 910 kind of start to hold. Then I would see a little trendy day to the upside. I would like to see this thing get above 910 and hold, or we break underneath. I would say 870s, and then that breaks. Then I think we see ourselves a pull back here. Then that would be a lower high to me on the NQ. So I think it's kind of very important to stay above 910. So far, I think this NQ is kind of trying to decide what he wants to do. For now, it's like, obviously, welcome to Globex. It's not doing anything right now. So let's kind of wait. So as we kind of wait to see some moves in NQ, I'm just turning our attention back into the silver. But I will flip back to NQ though. I'm just kind of waiting for NQ to make its move. But so far, there's nothing in NQ, so it's kind of hard to trade. I don't want to be on a trade and just sit there. Forget. HRQT, you're in a period where you lost a lot of values and funded accounts. Try to prove yourself. I mean, if it's me, I'm not saying this is what it's supposed to be, but at least for me though, when I'm really struggling, which I obviously did struggle in the past, I try to load in a very few accounts, right? You're already struggling a lot, so there's no reason for you to keep loading in accounts. Like, what's the purpose? You know what I mean? Just load in one, the cheapest account that you could ever get, one account, and try to prove yourself that you could pass that account. You know what I mean? And that's what I did 18 months ago. Right? That's gonna cost you a lot less, right? And I think that's what it's supposed to be. Anyways, that's for me though. This whole thing is just so silver is also not moving. So obviously we got a nice little move in the silver in the first 5 minutes of the day, and then it's kind of like sitting there now as well. Yeah, there's no move to the upside, guys. What's going on here? Can somebody move the silver? Incredible. Yeah, I think, you know, if you're struggling, I think it's really kind of very important to manage your behavior, right? Your habits. And when you're trading in the profit space, one of the bad habits is just keep it loading in accounts. Like, you know, it's like if you don't load an account, you don't feel comfortable. You know what I mean? This is the bad habit, especially when you're having a bad time and constantly losing accounts and not getting a payouts. That's a huge problem, right? So it's really very important that you load in just one account. That's all you need. Just treat it like a personal live account, and that's it. Yeah, I'm shorting. Sorry, I'm long. Yeah, I'm long right here. I'm long right here, guys. Yeah, this micro thing makes a lot of sense now. It makes a lot of sense. I mean, I'm only risking, well, still, I think you gotta be in like a 1 micro or something like that, guys. Holy man. With 2 micros, I'm kind of risking $700 just on a small little pullback here down. That's crazy. Does anyone know the trade rate symbol for gold? GCG6. GCG6. Nice, man. Gillian. Well, if you guys are banking on the silver, kudos to you, man. We are getting a little rejection here. It looks like we are getting rejection or what now? Wow, we are getting a pullback here. once again. I've only got $900 drawdown.
Order filled.
All right, so I'm gonna have a hard stop here. If it stopped me out, that's fine. I mean, if it stopped me out, that's all I'm gonna willing to give, because I really have a lot of drawdown on this. It does seem like it wants to stop me out here right now. Yeah, I don't really have a lot of room to kind of hold on to this trade, so I'm gonna have to have a tight stop on this just to stay in the. Yeah, I'd like to have a hard stop here, $87, but of course that would mean like that would be a huge. Yeah, the account's not gonna survive if I do that, right? So. Let's try to go back. Oh yeah, we are seeing a little bit of a bounce in the NQ. Yeah, it's kind of like flirting in my entry. Flirting in my entry. No, I'm not approved, guys. Nothing's approved. I'm gonna kind of wait till we get approved and then do a little celebration here, but no approval just yet. No luck, no bueno, guys. So I'll let you guys know when I get approved. So far, no juice, no love. Yeah, of course. I mean, I would love to get approved. That's a pretty big amount. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty big. Yeah, I could get stopped out here, which is fine. But that's all I'm kind of willing to give, and then I'll probably trade this account in the morning. What up, bruh? Yeah, so by getting that approved, I will be definitely well over 34 for the month, 34K for the month, which is great. But I'll wait before we kind of try to celebrate. I'm just gonna have to kind of wait till we get approved. You know what I mean? So fingers crossed. Yeah, but it's been pending now for how many days? Because I requested on when again? I can't remember. I think it's January the 11th. Yeah, I requested on the 10th. I requested on the 10th, guys. Holy mochaccino. Yeah, I requested on the 10th, so I don't know. Let's take a look. If wow, Enki's pulling back here, guys. Enki's pulling back. Should I just exit my trade here? Well, maybe. Maybe I could try, but yeah, I'm only going to, well, it's only gonna be $4 more $100 if we end up pulling back, so it's fine. I'll leave it there. A lot of people make big profits in the slow market. That's weird. Yeah, I mean, just leave it there. What's the point? You know what I mean? Like, just $400 I'm gonna lose extra by leaving it there. But we also have a little chance of a bounce as well, so if you end up getting pulled back, that's fine. Yeah, so if I get approved on that, it's gonna be over 35K for the month of January. And one of the things that I wanted to do was try to get approved quickly, because we are halfway through now. We got 2 more days to be halfway through the month, right? So I wanted to, you know, I wanted to make this a new record, right? The quickest 30,000 month ever, you know what I mean? In my PROPFIRM journey. But not quite there yet. Still no approval. So hopefully maybe tomorrow we get it, guys. Hopefully maybe tomorrow. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys posted. We'll celebrate even more, guys. I was kind of waiting, but you know, we'll do giveaway here today. We'll see. Why are you falling primarily drawdown? Why are you falling primarily drawdown? What does that mean? Tiger, do you drive Rolls Royce? No. I'm not a, well, by the way, I'm not a big fan of Rolls Royce, by the way. I'm not a Lambo guy, but by any means. I'm happy where I'm at. Wow, man, this thing has been just sitting here for a while now. I like Land Cruiser, a Lexus Land Cruiser, guys. That's what I like the most. I don't know if that's my dream car, to be honest, but a Land Cruiser, guys. I think that's the one. Thank you, everybody, for your subscribing to the channel, and I thank you guys.
Order filled.
And thank you guys for smashing the like. Thank you guys for all your support. And thank you guys for being here. And thank you guys for always supporting. Okay, so 87.5 looks like we're getting a little, just a small little bounce, I guess. It's not something truly exciting, but we're getting some move right now, and at least it did not hit trigger my my stop there, so maybe that's a good thing. I'll just try to take one more off the table there, guys, just to kind of like, you know, just try to protect my profits here. Okay, so fellow traders, man, look at this, 87.5. Now, where's this gonna go? It looks a bit heavy, to be honest. I'm not, obviously you guys know I'm not a greatest trader as far as the metals go, right? I've been pretty unsuccessful trading gold on a while, so I don't doubt if silver is any different. But just based on pure technicals here, I don't know. Maybe we pull back. But you know what? I'm still up, so I'm just gonna exit this trade, guys. I just don't like this price action, man. I thought we were gonna get a better price action. We're just not getting any of that, so I'm just gonna move back to trading the NQ that we all know. All right, so I'm back in the NQ. I'm in a 1 minute chart here as well. I'm gonna try to do right. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna move this to a 30 minutes chart, by the way. So on the left hand side, I've got a 30 minutes chart, and the right hand side, it's gonna be the tick chart. Oh, sorry, not a tick chart. That's a 1 minute chart. Hold on. I'm gonna have that 500 tick chart. Okay, so here we are. What do we kind of see? It looks pretty weak, to be honest.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I went back to NQ. MNQ, sorry. NQ seems tricky. It is, yeah. I mean, is there anything that's not tricky during Globex Asia? Everything's tricky, right? It's kind of tough. Yeah, it was a tough morning, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. Tsunami music. I like that name. This could be a bounce. Yeah, it's okay. I'm here waiting. Pretty slow market. Holy man. NQ is looking like a flush. Random going long with tomorrow news. All right, so we got some news coming out tomorrow, of course, right? We got PPI tomorrow morning, so that's gonna be we got something there tomorrow morning. Yeah, a lot of you guys are saying, "Whoa, StockTiger, don't worry, it's gonna get approved." Yeah, I have confidence that it will get approved, but it's not a small amount. You know what I mean? It's a pretty big amount. Pretty big amount. All right, so are we gonna get a pullback here? Finally, a pullback down. Apex, love playing head games. I mean, it's okay as long as they get approved. But what again? I requested on the 10th, right? So I requested on the 10th. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. So today's the third day. So I may have to send an email, I think. Maybe there's something else, I don't know. There must be something, some other reason why I'm not getting approved. But because of that, I haven't traded that account, right? So silver, what again? $100? Really? Don't tell me silver is getting a bounce, guys. Holy mochaccino! Look at that bounce in the silver. Let's go. Did you guys bank that? Yeah, I'm trading TopStep right now. So while we try to figure this out, I'm on a Bilonox now. Say you. Oh, what am I looking at? I'm gonna, yeah, this is one minute tick chart. Sorry, not 1 minute tick chart. What am I saying? 1 minute chart. Do you guys think we get a pullback? We could. What am I doing in TopStep? I'm long, I'm short. I'm short with 3 micros. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna try and do?
Order
I'll exit
filled.
that bad boy right now. I'll try. I'm gonna try and short this right at this level here, 895. I'm gonna try and short there. I think we roll over down in my opinion, but again, that's my kind of a $896, and I'll exit my trade at 904. So literally about 10 points. If you're still in a silver, I would get out. Tokyo, yeah, I'm not in silver. I'm not trading silver at the moment, guys. I'm not in silver. I've only got one position open now, and this is gonna be my funded account on the what do you call this? On my Bilonox, right? So okay, so here I am. Yeah, I'm gonna try and short this right at the 892, 895. I'm gonna be looking for that little bit of a bounce before we kind of try to pull back here. I don't know, just not doing anything right now. 48. Wow, man, there we go. Yeah, we got PPI tomorrow, so I don't know how that's gonna kind of play out, but really, SI. Whoa, guys, man, incredible. That's a nice little bounce on the Oh, we got Tokyo. No wonder, guys. We got Tokyo right now. Completely forgot about Tokyo, as always. Day baby. Hi Tiger, I'm new here. New to trading. Welcome. Welcome, brother. Great to see you here as well.
Order filled.
Oh my god, guys, man, my order got filled. I'm in trouble. Alright guys, I'm gonna have a hard stop here at 908. That's risking about well, where is the hard stop? Probably better off. Yeah, I think we could have a hard stop here at 909. Oh,
Order filled.
well, that was a great $250 loss. Look at that bounce off that level, guys. Why do I keep getting stopped out here? And it gets this wick.
Order filled.
Let's try it again. Let's try to give myself a little bit more room here, but it looks pretty bullish, guys. All of a sudden. Yeah, I have no idea what the hell is that, guys. Maybe it's just Tokyo, maybe kind of moving this market. I don't know. But it kind of sucks to get stopped out right there. Yeah, you gotta be careful. That's a pretty... But again, I got stopped out right at the top there, 909. I had to stop at 908. Maybe he was trying to... really annoying, you know? I mean, I would prefer to get stopped out and kind of keep moving to the upside, you know what I mean? So that way I have a chance. Like, I feel better that way, you know? I feel better that way. It's like you get stopped out and it kind of just nuke you out and it just pulls back right after. Oh man, that's like the worst feeling. Yeah, I mean, I just like to trade, you know, the technicals. I try my level best to kind of stay away from noise, too much noise. You know what I mean? And the BTC is just one of it. You know, just trade. Oh, 여자군요. Oh, sorry, a day baby. I am so sorry. Thanks for being here. Thank you so much. My apologies. Alright, so there, man. I mean, this thing literally stopped me out and now we're getting a pullback. Maybe it's a good thing well, now I'm gonna have a stop at the break even. Well, nothing to lose here. If it ends up getting stopped out, it's fine. Oh my god, I'm gonna get stopped out again. Let's see how much I'm gonna willing to lose. Well, let's try to maybe have my stop here. 170. Yeah, no, you know, I'm just gonna have my stop at the break even, guys. I'll have it there. You know, if we get a bounce, that's fine. But I would rather be break even instead of trying to lose even more, because I'm already down $250, right? Wow, I don't know what this market's trying to do, to be honest, man. PPI could be good to pass. Oh, I wonder if we are going to just continue going higher here. Yeah, I'm just down about $200. I can get it back, no problem. Hmm. Again, that thing just stopped me out there. Just getting a pullback. Let's take a look at the MGs. Wow. This thing just keeps pulling, getting a bounce. This gold. Wow, it keeps going. Wow, it's pretty wild. Pretty crazy. Yeah, maybe I should be trading. Let's see. What's the silver micro? Oh, you don't allow that in the. Oh my god. Silver. Oh my mochaccino. Look at that, guys. Now, talk about the real FOMO. Incredible. Wow. And that was definitely something that maybe I should have kept there. Yeah, what if I try to... let's take a look at the gold. Wow, man. The FOMO is real, everybody. All we really had to do was just go long, everybody. That's all we really had to do. But instead, wow, this gold thing just keeps moving here, guys. Pretty wild to say the least, man. I mean, I wouldn't want to short this bad boy right now, right? I was long. My last trade I was long, but now of course if I try to long, it's gonna pull back, right? That's crazy. That's pretty wild. I don't know.
Order filled.
Oh no, I entered wrong. I did not link, so it looks like I got into a NQ trade instead of getting into the micro. So there. Yeah, usually would be safe haven for sure. Yeah, usually. And of course it's related to inflation too. Inflation. We gotta take a look and see what the VIX is doing, to be honest, because yeah, but what a bounce on the guys. I need to exit this because I need to get to
Order filled.
I need to get to micro. Well, that's a small little game, by the way. I wonder what let's take a look and see what the gold is doing. Gold keeps pumping here. Pretty incredible, to say the least. Pretty wild. Do we see the gold keep moving? We could. But I think it's... NQ trying to get a bounce. All right, so I am definitely leaning more bullish on the NQ here. If you guys take a look, guys, we held what do you call this? Let's do a little box here. What the heck is going on here? Right, we held this support, and we also held this, right? So I did kind of feel like, you know, we have a better chance of this NQ moving higher, right? Maybe back here before we start to get a pullback, right? So I'm kind of thinking maybe we get a bounce, maybe give us a little maybe push, pull back, and try to crawl back higher and try to get back into this zone, right? And that could be something that we're looking at right now. And so I'm gonna try to long this bad boy. Gosh, oh god, it's not connected again. So I'm gonna try long.
Order filled.
Right, and I'm gonna try and scale into my long position. Right, and that's what I'm gonna try and do. And I'm gonna have a hard stop here, 889. 889, yeah, and that kind of makes sense. And let's try to. I'm gonna try to stick to this game plan here, and then have my hard stop right in that 889.
Order filled.
Okay, so that's what I'm gonna try and do here, guys.
Order filled.
All right, that probably would be like 10 contracts by the time it's said and done. But I like this idea. You know, we'll try to stick to this, right? And maybe pull back here into the 904, 900, and then maybe try to get a bounce higher, and try to get our trade into the 950s, right? And see what happens. Yeah, I'm trading Bulanox funded account right now, and I'm down about $200. So we'll try to see what happens. No, you can't. I don't think they allow you to trade the PPI, take profit trader. That's a flag. And by the way, my fellow traders, thank you guys for being here today. Yeah, we'll call out the winner in about pretty close to 300 likes. If you guys want to support the stream, we could rush into giving our giveaway here today. And what else? And by the way, fellow traders, I go live every day. Of course, Globex Asia, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. I also go live in the morning too, at least twice a week at about 10:30 a.m. in the morning. If you guys want to see how StockTiger struggles in the morning, you guys are most welcome to see me live in the morning. Hit that notification bell to always get notified every time StockTiger goes live. We're getting a little bit of a rocket launcher, I think, in the gold. I don't know how that's really going to affect the NQ. The NQ may end up just dumping, right? But just purely based on technicals, I kind of like the setup, right, for the long. and that's why I'm kind of sticking to this game plan. But if we end up getting a pullback, I'm gonna have a hard stop here at 888 in that area, and that's it. You know, if we end up getting pullback, you've stopped me out, that's fine. We'll see what happens here, guys. Great to see you all back again. Thank you guys for being here. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, man. I mean, it's part of the process. I mean, we are going through a growing pain, right? As the channel starts to grow, we're gonna have some, you know, challenges along with it, right? So it's okay. All right, guys, I'm still hanging on here into this trade from 915, and we got a VWAP here in this 900. So the way the gold is moving to the upside kind of makes me feel a little concerned about MNQ or NQ, whichever you guys like to call it. What does it mean for NQ? Maybe, I don't know, it's they're obviously kind of correlated too, but the gold is kind of getting a bounce, right? Yeah, so we are seeing the gold continue to move higher here, and I think we are getting a little breakout, right, on the gold. Well, let's do a little trail. Let's do a little trail line. We kind of broke out of this area, right? So if you just take a look, oh, what's that? Right. So we have that. We have here. You know, we kind of broke out, right? So every level's. You know, every time we got a rejection off that level, now we finally broke out, right? So finally broke out, and we finally broke out this very important key level as well here, which would be right here. We broke out of that level, so unless we kind of quickly get back down into the 4605, this kind of feels like we could see some more some ways to go to the upside, in my opinion. And what could be the next level? Pretty obvious, as 4621 would be the next level to kind of watch. So we're inside that bullish bar, so we'll see, guys, what happens in the gold. But in the meantime, I've got I'm long here on the NQ, so I don't know. Gold pushing higher, and NQ, do we have a chance of NQ kind of pushing higher at the same time? Of course, yeah. I mean, I've seen many times where we see both gold and NQ kind of push higher at the same time, right? I've got 3 contracts here, 3 micro contracts. I may try to add some more here, bad boy. All right, guys, 1 second. Try to add some more or what? Oh my god. I'm kind of tempted. Yeah, we'll just stick to 3. I like this to the upside, right? I like this to the upside, to be honest. We'll just keep flipping back and forth on NQ and gold, guys. We just want to keep an eye on the gold, how it kind of plays out. So, like I said again, we got to pull back here underneath 4605, and it's got to break it to the downside to kind of feel a lot bearish. But we got a nice little pop though, and if we end up holding this 4610, then we could see another leg to the upside, right, on the gold, right? We kind of hold this, then I think we see a push up higher like that, right? So I think that's what I kind of feel the gold is kind of up to. In the meantime, let's keep an eye on the MNQ because that's the trade I'm in right now, and I'm still looking for that a bounce off that pullback, a minor pullback here. I'm hoping we get a pullback here into the 904, 900 area to give me a chance to kind of maximize my position and maybe get a bounce like that. You know what I mean? I would like to see something like this kind of play out. So we'll see if that's something that the market's willing to do. Thank you guys once again for being here. Correndo, Funny, Shaker, Christian, KRV, Bodie. Yeah, stop looking at my hair. Metals dumping, really? Wow. What is dumping, bro? I mean, I thought by now it should be down here, right? Metals dumping. But yes, it looks like we are getting a little pullback here in the NQ. Sorry, not an NQ, on the gold. So we'll keep an eye on that too. Thanks for letting me know, brother. Thanks for letting me know. StockTiger. I am turning. I'm getting pretty close to 50. Yeah, I'm getting pretty close to 50. Looks like we are getting a bounce. Sorry. Well, so far it's kind of holding the gold. So. Silver is dumping more than gold. Well, let's take a look at the gold. Well, it's not kind of pushing down, right? I mean, let's be realistic. Is silver actually pulling back here? I don't see that. I don't know. So far, the gold is trying to hold, right? The gold is trying to hold. Honestly, I think it's setting up for a little leg to the upside, to be honest. But we'll see. I may be wrong. Oh shit, am I in a trade? Oh no, I'm not. Yeah. Pullbacks already happened in the gold, silver. Oh, I see. Yeah, let's give StockTiger more likes. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Shaker trades. Well, technically, I should have been maybe over, I would say, 15. Yeah, I think hopefully it takes a lot of time and energy to I don't know. Yeah, hopefully if I yeah with obviously with your support and everybody else's, hopefully we get it there. The spreads are pretty bad trading in Nikkei, so that's why I'm not trading Nikkei, right? The spreads are pretty bad, really bad. So as soon as you're in, you're down like a few $100s already. So that's why it's tough to trade. You know what I mean? Guys, man, you guys freak me out even more. You guys freak me out more than silver. Oh my god! Oh my god, silver! Oh! Oh! Is that what you want to hear? You know, sometimes I get more excited from you guys than the actual instrument itself. I'm gonna go, oh! Wow, so see, hey, that's we made a nice little call there, right? On the gold, and that's kind of playing out. But of course, analyzing and being in the actual trade is a two different story. But guys, but we are getting a move in the NQ as well. I have no idea what is up with this market, guys. Gold is moving and silver is moving, and guess what? The NQ is moving as well at the same time. What does that mean? A little bit of a question mark, guys. Something is not right. Thank you everybody for subscribing as well, everybody. Yeah, I mean, yeah, of course, yeah. Market's gonna do what he wants to do. Real Luca, yeah, I agree. I agree, absolutely. That's on hindsight. Yeah, I mean, we're just trying to increase our chances, our probability in trying to be, trying to be on a winning trade, right? So we're just trying to increase our chances of trying to get into a winning trade. So if you're at 60%, if you kind of feel, I have a chance, I have a 70% chance of kind of getting into the right side of the trade, then you're gonna step into that trade, right? Okay, so still a bounce. Let's take a look at the gold here, guys. Surprise! The gold is getting a bounce. Incredible. I don't know, man. Do I want to mess with the gold? I don't know. I leave that in your good hands, everybody, my fellow traders. I leave the gold and silver in your hands. I'm just not. The gold and silver is just not my thing, you know what I mean? I'm still in this trade, but I want to kind of add to my position here.
Order filled.
I want to add some more in this freaking thing, though. I don't know what to do. All right, so let's try to hold on to this bad boy. Wow, keeps going, hey? Keeps going, gold. And silver, let's take a look at the silver here for a moment, but... Wow, silver is also going like crazy. Incredible. Incredible mochaccino. Alright, fellow traders. I want to add to my long position here on NQ, though. Right, we talked about the levels. And that's what I want to kind of do. Mochaccino. No, this is trading on Billanox, guys. I'm trading Billanox, man. I'm not trading Top Step right now. Not trading the Top Step, yeah. Yeah, I really want to kind of add to my position here, but I'm like, oh man. Oh, you're talking about my spreadsheet. Okay, I see. Oh, I see. All right, sir. I'll fix that. Sorry. All right, so we are getting a little pullback here on the micro NQ. I want to add to my long position though, but I'm still gonna wait for a pullback here down. Let's try to see if we get a pullback here into at least the VWAP. Buenos accounts, the best ones are of course. It's gotta be 50K, right? Yeah, if you go anything beyond 50K,
Connection
yeah,
lost.
it's pretty bad because you're gonna pay like $500 for an activation. So better stay away from any account beyond 50K. I want to add to my long position. Yes, I want to, but I feel like I'm gonna get a better entry point here, or maybe not. I don't know. Let's do
Order
it.
filled. Order filled.
Oh my god. Well, you know what I'm gonna do though? I'm gonna have a hard stop here. I'll have a hard stop here at 911, and I'm gonna be looking for that pullback here down. We'll see, guys. Oh, whole silver. Wow, man, look at this thing go. Incredible. Yeah, it keeps going, guys. It almost kind of feels like we are gonna get some kind of a move before we kind of start to get a pullback in the silver and gold, maybe. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but I mean, that's what I kind of feel like it's going to do. All right, guys, let's show some love. Let's get this going, guys. I'm gonna do. Yeah, I may try. If we have enough time, I'm gonna do another giveaway, of course. Right? We're gonna do another giveaway if we can. If we could possibly do it, yeah, I would love to do another giveaway for sure. Let's try to show some love, and let's take a look and see if I've got Apex approved. As of course expected, it's not approved. It's not approved. All right, so I'm gonna have to stay awake overnight, guys, and kind of keep pressing that refresh button to see if I get approved. How about that, friends? Yeah, yeah, I like that 24-hour stream. Yeah, man. I wish I could. I'm not getting younger, by the way. I'm only getting older, right? So that's a problem. I have something that works against me now. It's my age. And that's a little bit of a problem. Yeah, you're right. I'm only 17. That's right. Yeah, I'm turning 18, by the way. I'm getting my driver's license kind of set up here pretty soon. Yeah, I gotta bleach my hair too. Oops. Yeah, the chat's wild. I thought you were Korean. Oh. Well, 17 minus 50. It's still back to 17. Legend Algo, what's going on, man? Christianity, what is up, bro? Everybody, great to see y'all here back again. I mean, at some point, guys, I mean, at some point we're gonna have to see the market kind of start to pull back, right? But is it now, or maybe it's gonna be a few weeks later? I mean, definitely something is kind of, you know, something is fishy, right? I do see that, but I don't know, man. You know, so far it's still a buy the dip, right? I mean, we obviously witnessed that today, and we're kind of witnessing that every single week. We get a big dump and it's like, okay, the real crash is over. The real crash is here now, and it's not even started yet. And guess what? It gets bought pretty quickly. So we still have a lot of buyers kind of stepping in on the sideline as well. So pretty wild to say the least. Reg Hobb, what's going on, man? Enjoy crypto in the house. LC21, Gillen, Trade, the real Luca, the Felipe. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, and by the way, I want to talk about something here. So if you guys think you like, you know, you got to be pretty active to be part of our Tiger vibe, right? Because I'm gonna do a lot of giveaways going forward. So you got to really be active, right? You know, to kind of be there in that group, right? And I'm gonna be doing a lot of spin the wheel just for active members on our Tiger vibe, right? So just keep that in mind, because going forward I'm going to do a lot of giveaways going forward for a Tiger vibe, but you got to be obviously online and active, you know, to participate on that giveaways. Of course, I'm going to be doing a giveaways on YouTube as well for our fellow traders, but just saying. What's the link? Here you go. What a slow market, guys. Let's take a look at the silver here for a moment. But silver keeps moving here to the upside. I mean, I don't want to be long silver now, and then obviously you guys know what happens, right? It's gonna give you that little pullback here, and then of course I'm done for the day, right? You know what I mean? So better not kind of try to play. If you try to be cute with the silver, man, that combine that blew my combine did not really take a lot of time, by the way. So let's see. I'm okay to kind of see this thing pull back here into the VWAP and maybe into this area. That would be pulling back into the 890s. So literally about 20 points pull back here. I'm okay with that into this. but I'm not okay anything beyond that because that's a big level.
Order filled.
Right, that's a big level. So, but anything beyond like, you know, 8. Sorry, hold on one second. This is the right area. Yeah. So anything beyond like, you know, 880, I'm not willing to kind of hold it. I will exit that trade. So I've got 9 contracts now. I've got a lot now, so that's okay. ES is dropping. Yeah, ES is pulling back here. Let's take a look at the ES for a moment. Yeah, ES is pulling back here. Let's take a look. Yeah, and yeah, we're getting a little pullback here. Change that to green. Change what to green? This? I mean, I don't know how to change that to green though. It's bouncing on the VWAP. It is, yeah, it is. It is. Ow, my leg. Yeah, I had a little protein bar today, so I'm definitely feeling a lot better now. Absolutely, guys. Oh. So, what is up with Iran? So far, nothing truly there at the moment, at least for now. And what is up with... That's a pretty crazy... So we kind of held the VWAP, right? Bounce. So not so negative for now. For now. Legend Algo, 3 o'clock in the morning. Where do you live? Hey, Algo, hey, Legend Algo, let me know where you live, man. If you don't mind me asking. If you don't mind, that is, right? Yeah, guys, man, I thank you guys so much, everybody, for being here. So much of positivity here in the stream. I love it, guys. I love it. Oh, Legend Algo, you're from Egypt? Really? Inta Masri? Inta Masri, ya Habibi? Oh my. We got a friend from Masri, Egyptian, guys. Fellow traders, big shout out to my friend Legend Algo from Egypt. He's from Egypt. He's a pharaoh. He's a pharaoh, guys. Ahlan wa sahlan. We got a lot of fellow traders from Middle East. I love it, guys. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Okay. Oh my god, we got somebody 1 a.m. in the morning, guys. Who could that be? Mr. Sarah Sprague. 1 a.m. in the morning. Alright, guys, 1 second. I'm just gonna guess. I think that's Europe. 1 a.m. in the morning. I think that's Europe. Where's it gonna be? I would say Europe. Somewhere. I think it's either Germany, Belgium, or Switzerland. I think that's where it is. Well, London is 12:47 right now. You lied. Don't ever lie to me. Oh, we got Poland. Oh, Mecca, Poland. All right, Poland kind of makes sense. 6:15 in the morning. 6:15 in the morning. Come on. 6:15 in the morning. I think that's maybe. Where is it, guys, man? I don't know. 1 a.m. in the morning, guys. Sorry, not 1 a.m. in the morning. Somebody said 6 o'clock in the morning. Must be India. I don't think it's India, bro. I don't think it's India. Or maybe it is. Yeah, you're right, man. Yeah, India. Guess I buy India. Yo, India, my fellow trader from India. Big shout out to Mr. Rob. Guess I buy. What the heck is this, guys? Are we having an Olympics? 12 more minutes for what again? Oh, for Sydney. Only country I know of with half an hour time difference. Oh, RRR. Yeah, nice, man. I love India. Anybody from Pakistan? Nobody from Pakistan. Okay, XK, you're from Netherlands. Okay, so I'm assuming that you play StarCraft, right? You do. Can you let me know if you play StarCraft? Or you used to play StarCraft, that is, right? Not anymore. It's been a long time, but I mean, StarCraft used to be really popular in Netherlands, by the way. Oh, you're from Kuwait. Guys, man, I mean, bro, guys, man, this is awesome. What a truly a global community we're in. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. You see how really important it is to not talk politics on our channel? It's so global, man. I used to play a lot of StarCraft, yeah, but I used oh, Dan Emmons was the best with the Zerg back in the day. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a Zerg guy. Yeah, I used to play lots of StarCraft. A long time ago, though. That was a long time ago. I think that was like 25 years ago, maybe more than that. I'm not sure. But yeah, man. Hey, somebody from Kuwait, man. Yeah, I used to play Diablo. That's a long time ago, though. And there's another one. I can't remember. Oh, yeah, Command and Conquer. Yeah, Red Alert, Command and Conquer, Diablo 1. Diablo 1 and 2. And there was something else. I can't remember exactly what it was. Not Age of Empire. There's something else. I can't remember. But yeah, I mean, pretty much StarCraft. But I know a lot of traders, well, not a lot of traders, what the heck am I saying? A lot of gamers from Netherlands, right? I used to play StarCraft with a lot of gamers from Netherlands. That was a long time ago, like 25 years ago. I still have like 2 guys that I know from Netherlands. Oh, Warcraft, yeah, exactly. Warcraft 1. Warcraft 1. I had a lot of fun trading, not trading. Fuck. Why do I keep saying trading now? But I used to have a lot of fun playing Warcraft. Yeah, absolutely, man. Oh, yeah, CNC. Yeah, that was best too. Yeah, I love CNC. Command and Conquer, yeah. That's crazy, guys. I wish. Yeah, I wish I can go back 25 years ago. But you know, I kind of like it better now. You know, banking a lot of payouts. Counter-Strike, not as much to be honest, but yeah. Damn it, guys, we are old. I kind of feel like a lot of us are in that 40s now. Yeah, a lot of us are actually in the 40s. Incredible. 34? Rod William, 34, man, you're still young, bro. You got long ways to go to be a lot more profitable. That's cool. That's great. I'm in the I'm in the 40s, late 40s now, so. Alfred 41, you're right, man. You're like 30 something. Alfred 30 something. I think it's 31 or something like that. He's cheating. Yeah, Alfred's cheating right now. Everybody, let's see. You're 28, the young dog. 28. That's crazy. 30 years, 10 years ago. Rod William, 4K PNL. Yeah, who cares about the payout right now, man? We're talking about the age. Anyways, yeah, man. Yeah, wow. We're truly global, guys. Lots of traders around the world, man. That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna give you. Well, let's take a look at my stats here on the on my YouTube. Pretty interesting stats. I wanted to share something here. What is that? I've got some stats here. What the heck is it though? Yeah, analytics. Audience. Audience. All right, there we go, guys. All right. See more. Okay. So I still have United States 53%. That's the largest. So over half the audience come from United States, of course. Canada is 7%. You know what? Canada is pretty. I'm a bit surprised to see 7% Canada. But then we also have lots of traders from around the world: United Kingdom, India, Brazil, Germany, Thailand, Australia, Poland, France, Netherlands. There we go. We've got Netherlands in the house. And guess what, guys? Right after that, we got Pakistan as well. Holy mochino. That's a huge volume from Pakistan. We got Morocco. We got Spain, Indonesia, Malaysia, Sweden, Italy, Mexico. Mexico, ¿cómo estás, my friends in Mexico, guys, man? South Africa, Philippines, Thailand, Taiwan, Singapore. Oh, we got very few from South Korea. What the heck is going on here, guys, man? Why is it so small? South Korea is not even in top 20 right now. What happened? What happened to South Korea, guys? What is going on? What's the problem? My fellow traders in Korea. Even despite trading more often during the Globex ASIA, not as much from Korea and Japan, which is okay. Or maybe it could have been a lot better. Sending love from North Korea. Yeah. Yeah, get the hell out of here. Anyways, guys, we're getting a bit of a bounce. Let's. Oh man, I completely forgot to look at the gold. Well, the gold and the silver kind of sitting in that range for the longest time now. Silver, that's at 88.1. Let's take a look at the gold here. Wow, the gold is kind of choppy in that range. Gold is kind of choppy in that range. So we'll keep an eye on the gold as well. But I don't know. Not getting a strong little bounce on the NQ either, so yeah, I don't know if I want to be adding anymore. We'll just leave it there. Yeah, I'll have a stop right underneath the VWAP and see how it kind of goes. Oh, maybe a little fake out. Could be, to be honest. I don't know. I'm Korean Canadian. What charting tool do you use? I mean, I use what we have. We use Tradeovate, we use Project X, we use Top Step, and we also use Quantower right now. So I use 1, 2, 3, 4 different charting. Silver is still, oh man, look at this, guys. NQ dumping. Yeah, I've got a hard stop here. I'm just gonna leave it there. If it's end up stopping me out, then that's fine. Yeah, what a dumpage there. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there. You know, it's like there's no point. I don't want to like. I mean, if you break underneath the 900, we have a good chance of pulling back all the way down into the. I don't know, man. This thing could go all the way back down to the 860s. So I don't want to be holding it back. So I'm probably better off trying to maybe cut it loose. Just cut it loose before it gets things get pretty bad. So we are right at the VWAP, you know, almost kind of feels like we could get a rejection of this level 2, 907. If that breaks, then yeah, this could be a little problem. I wonder what the gold is doing at the same time right here. Wow, guys, incredible. You've got to be kidding, guys. Wow, look at this. Wow. Keeps going.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm long gold for a quickie. It's like 4 contracts. And yeah, if we end up pulling back here into the 14s, then I will have to exit my trade. I'm going to be looking for that little bit of a bounce into the 25s. And then see what happens. At the same time, let's take a look. MNQ trying to get a little bounce, and the gold trying to get a little bounce as well. I'm going to take one off the table right here.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm long gold, and the gold is trying to rip here. don't, yeah, so I don't copy trade any of my accounts, by the way. You guys know I don't copy trade any of my accounts. I just trade them all individually, right? It is a bit exhausting, yeah, to be honest. Yeah, by not copy trading, you're it's too much trading, to be honest, but it is what it is, right? I mean, it's kind of working out nicely for me, so I'm just gonna continue doing what I'm doing.
Order filled.
I'm down to 1 now. Move my stop to break even and look for that little push higher. All right, and we are getting a little pop here in the MNQ as well. I'm gonna try to take some off the table as we try to push this back higher again. Yeah, I trade all my accounts separately. Yeah, I don't copy trade. Yeah, it requires a lot of effort, right? And I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, but it's a lot of pressure when you're not kind of used to. It's been a long time I've copy traded, right? So it's been what again? It's been a good I would say a good 14 months. The last time I copy traded was like 14 months ago, right? So all right, there I got stopped out there, but it's a pretty good trade. I used to copy trade a lot, so I know how to copy trade. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, I just don't do that anymore. Oh, you mean counterproductive? Maybe it's kind of yes and no, to be honest. Yes and no. Mr. Youngship Min in the house. What is going on, brother? Welcome back. Welcome back. I was waiting for you, yeah, brother. Youngship in the house. My fellow trader from Korea. Scoutster, what up, man? Make $206 on your PA. Sounds like you copy traded there. All right, so yeah, I don't know what this is going to do here on NQ. We're getting a little pullback here, but the gold is just keeps moving, guys. Holy man. Well, I kind of missed this whole move, right, on the gold for me. Yeah, I hope you guys banked on that gold though. Did you guys bank on that gold trade? I wish you guys did, to be honest. I did not even, well, the only thing I did was just trade silver in the beginning of the Globex Open. And of course I got cooked pretty quickly, but then also I traded the gold and made about $150, $200. I'm back here into the MNQ. Jeez, man, look at that. Alfred making $2,600 on the silver. Yeah, I did the opposite. Alfred makes 26 and I give back 26. Alfred took my profits. The real DC trader. Oh no, the first PA almost done. No. You kind of get used to it, you know, pro trader. You kind of get used to it. Well, no problem, Alfred. My pleasure. I'm grateful that you took my profit and nobody else. MQ trying to get a bounce. Not sure what this market's gonna try and do. Yeah, I'm okay with just about 25% of the profits. I'm okay with that, if you don't mind. Well, I prefer 35% of the profits. Then I can give back the like if you want. Anyways, guys, I'm just kidding. So yeah, I mean, the market trying to get a little bounce. I don't know. Guys, man, I need my approval. Approval. Oh, it's an eval. Okay. All right. All right. Then let me just take it back, you know. I like the likes better. Guys, man, I need my approval. Apex. I'm not approved yet. Sir, Apex, are you here? So yeah, we kind of wait till tomorrow, and then we'll have to kind of wait and see what well, usually instantly, right? I mean, a day at max a day. But I requested 5 accounts, and the first 3 got approved pretty quickly. But there's 2 accounts that right now I'm kind of waiting, that I requested on the January the 10th. So it's been like 3 days now. So tomorrow it's got to be the 4th day. Yeah, I think we'll get approved tomorrow. Yeah, I think we get approved tomorrow. Yeah, I need that approved tomorrow, yeah. Yeah, but sometimes the trading is very exhausting. Yeah, I agree. You know, this trading is definitely very exhausting, right? It's tough sometimes. Yeah, I agree. And especially when you're not trading all accounts one at a time. It's really tough. It's really tough. But if it's gonna pay you, right, it's kind of worth it. You know what I mean? Like if you're getting paid. But imagine if you're not getting paid, even after so much of work and energy that you put into this trading, and not copy trading any of your accounts and keep trading all freaking day. If you don't get paid, then I don't know, man. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a very sad thing to not get paid. You know? So that's the thing, right? I kind of feel like I'm okay so far, and I keep grinding because I keep getting paid. But I think there will be a moment where I will end up struggling, whether I like it or not, right? And that's gonna be a big challenge for StockTiger, you know. And I expect that to come, but I don't know when though, right? I don't know when. We'll see. At least once or twice a year, we get those moments where we kind of really struggle in our trading. So as long as I keep getting paid, you know, I'm totally okay with you know, keep trading. I'm okay with that for now. There will be a time where I may have to kind of try to copy trade maybe 2 accounts, 3 accounts at a time. But so far I can handle so. But there'll be a moment where I'm going to have to like copy trade maybe a few accounts at a time. Yeah, man, look at this, guys. I mean, there's really nothing happening here. We are right at the VWAP. We're grinding down. I wonder what the gold is doing though. Well, the gold is trying to get a bounce, and we are getting a pullback here. I am down on this. Down a few $100s. Let's see if we get a little bounce. It looks like it's gonna hit. It's gonna stop me out right now, I think.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go, guys. I got stopped out there. Yeah, I don't think I can add anything more, to be honest. Let's go back to SI. Well, they don't allow that, right? It's the MGC. The gold keeps moving. Incredible. I'm down. Yeah, I'm down. I assume you're talking about Globex Asia. I'm down today. Yeah, but down on my funded account, I'm down only about $500. Yeah, $550 or something like that. And I lost one. I blew one of my combines, and that's it. And on funded, I'm just down about $500, $550 on my Buenos account. I mean, not bad. You know, if I would like to get above the buffer in one of my Buenos funded account, so I can get another account. Oh, you're silver. You guys were trading silver. All right, guys, fellow traders, don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, we are about to get our Take Profit Trader account giveaway. And by the way, I'm gonna share my Discord link as well for you guys if you guys want to hang out. Oh shit, what did I do? Here is my Discord link. Everybody, fellow traders. Yeah, we are getting a little bounce. That's a bounce on the NQ. And gold keeps going, guys. What the heck is going on with the gold? All right, guys. It's that time of the day, right? Let's do our giveaway. And let's enjoy the rest of the night. And look to come back tomorrow. Because tomorrow we got a PPI, guys. PPI in the morning. Is that going to move the market? Maybe. Gold keeps going. A small PPI. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries now for our giveaway. And bank earnings. I thought that was a bank earning today, if I'm not wrong. I may be wrong. And thank you guys once again for using my code as well for Take Profit Twitter, 40% off. And thank you guys for using My code across all the prop firms. The Apex, 80% off with $65 activation on accounts below 100K. And you got PPI tomorrow. Bulanox 83% off. And who else do we have? Lucid, Tradify. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the poll here. Good luck, everybody. I want to check out something. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is 40% off. And I thank you guys, all of you, for of course using my code to support the stream. Thank you guys. I'm gonna close the entries now, guys. I'm gonna close the entries. Good luck, everybody. I've got a timer on as well, so I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. All right, you gotta be here. All right, good luck, guys. I'm gonna pick the winner, guys. Fellow traders, good luck. And this is gonna be Tech Profit Trader 25K account. And I'm gonna have to have you talk to me on Discord, by the way, right? I'm gonna give you guys 30 seconds to claim. Starts right now. Pick the winner. We got Dibe Kulumu. Dibe Kulumu. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds to let me know you are here. 30 seconds. And it's gonna move pretty quickly. 30 seconds. Ooh. Oh! Oh! D-Bay! No! D-Bay is here! You could have made it a little more exciting here. You know that, right? You know that. Which is fine. We're okay with it, but congrats, man. D-Bay's got it, guys. So since I had a really rough day, right? A really rough morning, right? We may... Let's do another 25K give Take Profit Trader. How about that, guys? But I'm gonna have to start all over again. 1 second, guys. Yeah, we'll do a second one. Oh shit, we could have used the same one. Hold on 1 second, guys. Oh my god, I think I made a mistake, damn it. Hold on 1 second, guys. I should have just used the same thing. I screwed up. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to redo it again. Damn it. Alright, another 25K account giveaway right now, guys. That's Take Profit Trader. I'm sorry, man. We gotta do it again. Yes, I screwed up. I screwed up, guys. Here, so we're gonna have to do it again. You gotta have to do it again, guys. I'm sorry, everybody. I closed the previous one. All right, guys. I'm gonna go to the washroom. I'll be right back in about 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, don't forget to type in exclamation tiger, guys, to give yourself a chance to participate. And by the way, don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well, if you guys want to support the stream. I thank you guys for being here, of course. And by the way, for the new traders here in the house, letting you guys know, I go live every day, Globex ASIA at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. I also go live in the morning in the New York stream, at least twice a week, guys, at 10:30 a.m. in the morning as well. If you guys want to hang out and bang together, guys, you guys are always most welcome. Hit that notification bell to always get notified every time I go live. All right, so keep typing in. I'm gonna go to the washroom. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. All right, fellow traders, I am back. We are now going to start the giveaway. I'm gonna refresh this. All right, good luck, everybody. I wonder if this is right. It's only 150 entries. Maybe it is. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries now. Let's go ahead and do this, guys. Let's get it done once and for all. We are getting a little pullback in the gold, by the way. I don't know if this gold is gonna get I don't know if this is gonna get bought though. Looks like a little nasty pullback here in the gold. All right, fellow traders, I'm still waiting for my payout approval. Yeah, it's not there yet. It's not there yet. My Discord link is here. I'm gonna share that again. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, thank you so much, everybody, for being here as well. Discord link is right now here, and I'm about to start. I'm gonna close the entries now. All right, I closed the entries. Good luck, guys. This is our second giveaway happening here tonight. Bullina China Chop. Bullina China Chop. Let's go. Bullina, I'm gonna give you 30 seconds to confirm. Bullina, what a nice name. Bullina China Chop. Bullina China Chop. Bullina China Chop. $30 guys. Bullina China Chop. Are you here? Maybe not. Oh, he's not here. I don't think he's here. Is he here? Oh, oh my god. Dude. Did you do that purposely? Last minute. Congrats, man. Wow, that was scary. Yeah. My stream lapse a little delayed. Yeah, that's why I kind of waited a little bit, but that was pretty scary, guys. I mean, congrats, man. That's a big win for Take Profit Trader. 25K goes to Bulina China Chop. Bulina China Chop. Bulina China Chop. We have a first win, of course. J Trades K. So I'm gonna have to have you guys talk to me on Discord, okay? Once the streaming is over, let me know your Take Profit Trader email address as well. Send me a friend request, and we'll go ahead and take care of your price. Congrats, man, guys. Congrats once again. That was definitely a lot of fun, guys. Even though I didn't have a good day in the morning and afternoon, I'm totally okay. I had a lot of fun with my fellow traders here today. Truly a global channel. We got a lot of traders around the world having a lot of fun here tonight. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. We'll be back, guys. Globex Asia. I hope you all have a great night. Take care, everybody. We'll see you guys. God bless you and your family, everybody. Take care. Take a little rest here tonight. Good luck tomorrow morning. It's gonna be a wild day. Yet another wild day, guys. Take care of yourself. Everybody, thank you so much, man. So much love here in this channel. We'll take care. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Globex Asia. Everybody, have a great rest of the night. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye-bye. Take care, guys. Peace.